Wow. You don't see this every day. I'm gonna watch some people brave the rapids. I don't know if that's really a good idea, but we'll find out. Maybe in my Tundra, not in a Tacoma. Yeah, brave people. There's the source of it, I guess. People driving through. Domino's is there's not going to be too many people getting that $7.99 special. Delivery's going to be a little late.
Well, successfully out of Pittsfield anyway, without incident. This doesn't mean much. The water we've seen it here at Coatesville for now, quite a bit. I've heard reports of washed out roads, so pay attention when you're way home. Hey, John? Hey, George.
Oh.
Just for point of interest, National Weather Service in Binghamton issued a severe thunderstorm warning to
wow.
capable of producing a fatal high hail, so and Binghamton usually comes to us, so there you go, I said.
That is just phenomenal.
I see blue sky now, but yeah, it's looking good to the west, looking at from, you know, my vantage point, and skies are opening up and the sun's starting to come out, so we get a little bit of wake, but round April, 1730.
It's just a little creek that lost it. Wow. Wow.
We'll put it by here. Let me know what's an inch. 1 inch. Out on the sidewalk or the curbing, taking pictures at the customer's place. That's right where that tunnel was. The delivery now, I'm narrow and down at the bridge over the railroad tracks. There's light flowing down there. There's some kind of problem. Traffic.
Wow. You see way up there is just a little creek that overflowed into that mess. A bunch of them probably came together.
I think so. Yeah, this is one of the spots.
I don't even know if it's slowing down yet.
Oh my. And I don't know what to tell you, which way to go from there either to get away from it. Because any way you head, you're going right into something else.
Oh, police are here.
An update from the chatterbox. There's a wreck up ahead.
Here's a good one.
I guess somebody's hurt.
Oh yeah, I saw that up there, yeah. It's like 2 or 3 different streams coming together, just little tiny streams, and they're all just, wow. You don't see this every day in Pittsfield, do you?
So you can't go that way.
You can swim it! I told you! Do the backstroke! We're late for work, there's nobody in here.
Well, I think we'll just try to find a way home.